Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami ninja star. So today you're going to need 2 sheets of paper since this is a modular model. So you're going to begin, right now I'm not using 2 colored paper, so if you want to have 2 colored paper, then you're going to start white side up. So now let's start with the green one. First, you're going to fold this in half. And then fold this in half again. And then you're going to fold this into 4. Okay? And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause or slow down the video. Okay, now that you have that, fold these 2 to the middle. And you're going to fold this in half. Okay? I'll wait for you to catch up. Okay, now that you have that, you're going to turn this part over, turn it around, and fold this part up to the top. Now right here, you're going to do the same. This time, it's a little bit different. You're going to take this edge and align it with a middle crease. Or you could fold this behind to get more reference. So it should look like that. Okay, and now what you're going to do is take this, where you have this, you're going to fold it up to here. And then you're going to fold this down. Okay, now that you have that, it should look something like that when you put it all together. So, hold on. So, now your second one. You're going to take this and do the same that you just did. The only reason I started with blue and the green, because it's a lighter color and you can see the creases better other than this one. Okay, now I'm going to take this and fold it into 4, just like you did. Okay, now that you have that, I'm going to fold these 2 to the middle. Then fold this, in half. Okay, now what you're going to do is take this edge and align it with the middle crease. So, it should look like that. Okay, and then turn it over and fold this up. And then turn this part over and fold it up. I'm working on the coronavirus video, so don't worry, it's coming out soon. Actually, I messed up on this part. Fold this part down. And then do the same right here. Okay, so there's that. Now that you have that, you're going to take this, and kind of So if you take other ones, what you can do, you can fold this like that. Okay. So I'm going to take that. We're going to make this sideways so that it's kind of aligning, so that when you fold this down, it can go in this crease. You can stay in that pocket. But hold on, I think I messed up on a part. Yeah, okay. So you're gonna have that. Fold this down right here. You're gonna take this. Make sure that you have this in all the way, and then fold this down right here. Okay, it should look like that. Now you're going to turn this over and do the same right here. So this time it's going to go in this flap right here. And for this, we do the same right here. So now it should look like this. That is how to make Origami Ninja Star. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.